Hello, I'm Michael from my Gimp tutorial channel. In this video I show you how to create the freaky details effect. This is my first spoken English tutorial. First, duplicate the background layer twice and turn off the bottom layer. Invert the upper layer and start GMIC, repair, smooth bilateral. For the first value enter 25, for the second value enter 20 and click OK. Now blend the upper layer to vivid light. Right mouse button on the upper layer and select New from Visible. Deactivate the layer below and set the layer mode on the upper layer to Overlay. Right mouse button on the upper layer and select New from Visible. Finally, we sharpen with the Unsharp Mask filter. Now we merge all layers. Now they have done it. Thanks for watching and have fun recreating the effect. Best regards from Germany, Michael.